Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Many of you asked me that I did not put August month reading. Yes, I was late and I could not record it because I was doing a lot of pop-ups for my for my candles, intentional candles, and this is one of the bouquets that I made. And I thought that I'm going to do a reading for next 2.5 months, that is till the end of December. What is it that you can expect till the year end? So let's see what is the energy that you can expect till the year end. So let's call our spirit guides, angels and ancestors, and to do this reading for the collective. While shuffling, my throat is getting dry, and it could be the weather, but I also feel that please take care of your health, and I'm not scaring you. It could also, you could feel a little fatigued, so you could be feeling a little fatigued. So hydrate yourself and take care of yourself, okay? And I feel blocked throat chakra, so maybe you're not able to voice out your needs. So this could be one of the things, okay? So let me see what is the energy going to be for my collective for till the year end, okay? So we have the muse. Ooh. I feel, of course, this card has a different meaning, but intuitively it was really like you're going to be partying, you're going to be happy, you're going to really be going out, watch plays, drink with friends, generosity and naivety. You're going to be in your childlike energy, having fun, good energy to start with. Okay, so I don't know. Yeah, you can see it. Beautiful energy, guys. Like after such a long time, I have this energy with it. The founder in reverse, foundation and community. Ooh, why is this in reverse? We'll check. What else? Okay, we have the walker in reverse, awareness and reflection. And why is this in reverse again? The queen in reverse, sacrifice. The orator. See, communication, the orator, and confidence. I feel that you are not able to. Okay, I'm just going to tell you. And mentorship and finances. Okay. So we started with a very wonderful energy, but I think underlying that energy, there is a lot of reflection that needs to be done, a lot of things that are bothering you. Maybe you're not able to speak because you want to keep the peace between the kind of people you are. And we have the twins at the bottom of the deck. This is yin yang energy. This could be with a specific person. We'll see to it. Okay. So I'm just going to read the energy that I'm getting right now. Okay. I'm getting that, of course, you'll be meeting people, you'll be hanging out with them, and you'll be having a lot of fun. But I feel that the community that you have, the foundations that you've laid, and the foundations of relationship that you've had, you realize that they are very shaky. You will be reflecting on what kind of people you've been meeting till now and uh, how they have been with you in your journey, how they've contributed to your life. And you are like, maybe in the past you did not reflect on this, and now beginning to reflect on this. You were sacrificing your own needs, you were overgiven. I think this is a feminine energy, and this is feminine energy, could be any gender, doesn't have to be a male or a female, but it could be anybody who is in their feminine energy, um, sacrificing their own needs for others to keep peace. Okay, and you were not able to communicate your own needs. And I feel that another finances is coming. I feel that you this finances is just mentorship, and finances is that you are learning to demand what you desire, and it could be in finances, it could be in more materialistic ways. um, and you're learning how to build your own finances. So this is what I'm getting now. We'll dive deeper into this. Should we take, no, before we take a tarot, I think I want to take some more oracle cards. What is this muse? Because I am kind of liking the depth the oracle cards are giving me today. Okay. So we have overcoming obstacles. Yes. So this muse card is saying that you're overcoming few obstacles and you're meeting people, having fun. You've started to kind of lighten your energy. What is this founder in reverse? I also want to read this founder in reverse. Okay. Is purification in reverse, healing in reverse. So I feel that even though you are on the surface trying to overcome problems and try to overcome stuff and reaching out to people, but inside there is a lot of resentment. There is a lot of things that need to be healed. Okay. And I'm going to read this, the founder in reverse. And very interesting energy, guys. This is the first time I'm getting this energy. Very, very interesting. I'm loving it. And there is a lot one can learn from this energy, because we all mask our feelings. We all say we're okay, but inside there is so much healing that needs to be done, and people don't even realize it, that we could be hurting. Okay, 34. And I feel that this is what, there's going to be a lot of releasing around this energy, is what I am getting intuitively. Yeah. Giving too much of yourself to others can leave you feeling emotionally drained. Yes, you're giving too much. Yes. Rather than continuing to give, take a step back and focus on your own well being. It's time that you focus on your own self and focus, choose you. You choose you, okay? Rebuild your own city before you reach out to help others in theirs. It's like in aeroplane they say that you need to wear your own oxygen before helping other people. I think you are burning out. You need to. So I think this is for a lot of women around the festive season. They have people around, they're doing the partying, and they don't enjoy because they have to be in the kitchen. They have to take care of everybody's needs. I think have fun. Have fun, delegate a little bit of work so that you don't get burdened by everything. Speak up that I need help. Maybe people around you will help you. They're just not used to helping you. So you need to speak up and ask them to help you in this case. And the walk, very interesting energy. I'm so happy I'm channeling this, because I feel this for a lot of women. What is this walker in reverse? Okay, bashfulness in reverse, deceit in reverse. I feel that you could shy away from, even if you hurt, you don't let your feelings out. And just because you want to make peace, you just shy away um, from voicing your needs. And that's why people are not even aware of your needs. They are not able to reflect on your needs. And that could be something that could be something that you need to do. You need to kind of be you. And I feel that you've suppressed your needs so much that you are not aware of what you need. You're not aware of what you desire. So you need to kind of connect with your own self and ask, what is it that I want? This is also what I'm getting from this card. I want to read this. Okay, this is getting so interesting. Like,